Pause for a second. I need you to look at your hands. Those hands, right now, they are worth about $20 an hour on a good day. But by the time this video ends, those same hands, they could be worth $2,000 or nothing. We've been told AI is a tool, a calculator on steroids, a helpful little robot that writes your emails. That is a lie. A comfortable, seductive lie told by billionaires so you don't panic. The truth is scarier than Skynet. The truth isn't robots with guns. The truth is the economy doesn't need you anymore. Okay, dramatic much? Maybe. But ask yourself this, if a machine can do your job for free, why would anyone pay you? We are playing a game of musical chairs, and the music, just stick with me for the next 10 minutes because there is a narrow path to winning. But first, let's look at the graveyard. Nobody talks about the boring apocalypse. We imagine AI killing us with lasers. No, AI is going to kill us with efficiency. In the last 2 years, major tech firms laid off 400,000 humans. Not because the economy was bad, but because one middle manager with a ChatGPT subscription replaced a team of 5 writers. Here is the scary truth nobody tells you. AI doesn't need to be better than you. It just needs to be cheaper than you. Very expensive. If you are 22, living in the USA, dreaming of that graphic design or copywriting job, that job is currently being fed into a diffusion model in San Francisco. This isn't pessimism. This is physics. The velocity of money is moving away from human labor and into electricity bills for server farms. And this is a massive, but while the floor is collapsing for the lazy, the ceiling is exploding for the brave. Here is where the fear turns into fire. For the last 50 years, to make money, you needed capital. You needed a factory, a warehouse, a TV ad budget.
Today, a 19-year-old in Ohio with a laptop and Midjourney can produce a visual effects shot that took Industrial Light and Magic 6 weeks to render in 2010. The scary truth that turns exciting is this: AI is the greatest leverage machine ever built for the young. Why? Because you have no ego. You have no "this is how we've always done it" baggage. You are agile. You can adapt. While the 50-year-old creative director is arguing about kerning, you are launching 100 digital products a day. If you can prompt, you can produce. If you can produce, you can profit. But there is a trapdoor right here. Most people stop at the prompt, and that is where they die. Steve Jobs called computers the bicycle for the mind. AI is not a bicycle. AI is a jetpack with no ejector seat. The myth is that you just ask the robot for money, and money appears. That works for about 3 weeks. Everyone is selling you the easy button. Write a prompt, get rich. Let me show you what actually happens. You ask AI to write a script. It gives you generic fluff. You post it. Nobody watches. You quit. Why? Because AI has no soul. It has the average of the internet. The average of the internet is boring. The scary truth is that AI is a master of imitation, but a total failure of intention. If you use AI to think for you, you will become invisible. But if you use AI to think faster for you, you become a god. So how do you force a soulless machine to make money? You have to hack the one thing the robot cannot simulate. We'll get to that in 60 seconds. But first, the richest people in the AI era won't be the coders. It won't be the artists. It will be the orchestrators. The people who can look at a problem, say, build a sneaker brand, and use 10 different AIs to solve it in 1 hour. Here is the formula. Step 1, use AI to generate 100 bad ideas. Step 2, use your human taste to pick the top 3. Step 3, use AI to execute those 3 perfectly. Step 4, use your human empathy to sell it. The scary truth nobody tells you? Humans are becoming the rare earth minerals of the digital age. Our intuition, our anger, our joy, these are the only things the AI cannot mine. Okay, funny cat. But seriously, if you are 15 and you feel useless at math, great, focus on taste. If you are 25 and you can't draw, great, focus on story. This sounds spiritual, I know, but I'm going to get tactical right now. Because this next point is the difference between you watching this video for entertainment and you watching it from a yacht in 3 years. The window is closing. Right now, in 2026, we are in the Wild West. The average person doesn't know how to open ChatGPT. That means the barrier to entry is still low. But that won't last. By 2027, AI will be built into your phone's operating system. Your mom will use it. Your little brother will use it. When that happens, the novelty premium dies. You will not be paid to use AI. You will be paid to be trusted. Scary truth, the only asset that appreciates in an AI world is reputation. When anyone can generate a perfect video of the president saying anything, who do you believe? You believe the human you trust. If you build an audience now, a real one, of humans who trust your taste, you become the filter, the gatekeeper. The AI generates the food, but you are the chef, and people will pay the chef. So you have 2 choices. Option A, sit on the couch and let the algorithm feed you content until you rot. Option B, grab the tools right now. But which tools? Which 5 are the difference between broke and billionaire? We started this video talking about your hands being worth nothing. I want to end it by telling you that your mind is worth everything. AI is not your replacement. AI is your promotion. The scary truth is that 90% of people will use AI to become lazy. They will ask for answers, they will get average results, and they will disappear into the noise. But you are the 10%. You are watching this because you want to make money, not just see money. Don't fear the machine, ride the machine. Use the fear you felt in the first 30 seconds of this video as fuel. Wake up tomorrow and learn to orchestrate. Learn to prompt with personality. Learn to sell with empathy. I promised you a way to win. I've laid out the psychology, but psychology is useless without the hardware. You need the actual weapon. I just spent 10 minutes telling you why you need to adapt, but I'd be a terrible teacher if I didn't show you how. Click on the screen right now. I've prepared a specific list of the 5 AI tools that are flying under the radar in 2026. Tools that turn one person into an army. Don't watch that video tomorrow. Don't save it to your watch later graveyard. Watch it now, because while you are clicking that thumbnail, someone else is already using these tools to take your future clients. See you on the other side, where humans win.